So first of all, make sure that you have to enable Bluetooth. If you haven't, turn on the Bluetooth and open Remote Examination Care app. Now to start temperature test, you need to turn on vital sign monitor device. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds to turn on the device. After that, go to appointment list, tap on recommended test button. Here you can see temperature test. Tap on help button to see instructions. This will show how to turn on the device, how to connect, and where to place the temperature sensor. Now start the test. If you see this error, this means that Bluetooth is turned off. Turn on the Bluetooth. Start the scan and select multi-vision device from devices list. Now you can start the test by pressing the start test button. Place the temperature sensor as mentioned in instruction. Now you can save the result or retake test if you are not satisfied with the result. After saving, app will navigate you back to appointment details screen. Here you can see temperature test result. Thank you.